So, with each Pixel generation, Google has stuck to its strategy of releasing 3 new smartphones. And we have to admit that their strategy has proven successful. It's time to see what the Pixel 8a could have to offer, given the recent launch of the Pixel 8 series in October 2023. When the tech giant revealed the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro with new AI features and an industry-leading 7 years of OS update. As is the case every year, the Google Pixel 8a is not only the final smartphone in the Pixel 8 lineup, but it will also be the one most people search for. Because the Pixel lineup provides the same high-end, well-resolved software experience from Google at an affordable price. Google's most recent Tensor G3 chipset will power the Pixel 8a, just like its older and more costly sibling. However, it appears that the Tensor G3 and the Pixel 8a will be clocked a little bit less this time. The Google Pixel 8a is thought to be the smartphone codenamed Akita that surfaced on the benchmarking website Geekbench in August 2023. The device runs Android 14 and has 8 GB of RAM installed. For a better understanding, we can also examine the benchmarks of this unidentified device, Akita, and compare them with the Google Pixel 8. Google is using the Tensor G3, a good SoC, to give the Pixel devices amazing AI features. We are all aware of the Tensor G3's shortcomings in terms of thermal efficiency and raw power. However, it still does a great job on daily tasks, and neither the Pixel nor its performance is particularly well known. Wallpapers for the Pixel 8a have leaked recently. These wallpapers might offer us a decent indication of the Pixel's future color schemes. 4 wallpapers have surfaced, and one of them is identical in color to the Pixel 8a image that was leaked and obtained by us from some trustworthy tipsters on X. The mineral collection of wallpapers for Pixel is what these are known as. We can anticipate it will be better than its predecessor, the Pixel 7a, even though we don't know anything about camera or battery life enhancements. Like with the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, we hope Google will provide 7 years of software updates for the Pixel 8a. So, what do you guys think about the upcoming Google Pixel 8a? Let me know in the comments down below, and as always, I will see you guys in my next video.